Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to our respected principal, our beloved teachers and fellow students. Praise to Allah, because with His blessings we are able to gather here in this lovely morning. To get His blessing, I would like to invite Hasib Shah from class 5 to recite the prayers. Subhanallah. Thank you, Hasib, for reciting the prayer. Now we are going to continue our assembly today with singing session. First, we are going to sing our national anthem and then our school song. Thank you for the participation. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Ruhi to deliver our weekly religious speech. Thank you, Ms. Ruhi, for the inspiring speech. And now, I have an announcement to make. And the announcement is that all the students are hereby informed that the Teachers' Day will be celebrated on 5th September 2022 in the school auditorium. The celebration will feature speeches, skits and poetry recitations. Therefore, students who are interested in taking part of any items are requested to submit their names to their respective class teacher. Thank you. Now we will continue our assembly with a speech of Zunaira Ali from class 8. Thank you, Zunaira Ali. You are doing great all the time. Dear teachers and students, now our assembly has come to an end. I would like to thank our principal sir, all of our teachers and all the students for attending the assembly. Students are allowed to leave the hall. Thank you.